All right, this is quadratic domain and range. This one deals with domain primarily, so I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to explain it. And I'm going to use the colors that I like. So we say domain. So this is that Dr. XY. Remember we had Dr. That should be in blue. So we had Dr. XY. So D goes with X values, so that's your domain. R goes with your Y values. So since we're dealing with D this time, domain is X values. Since domain is X values, I want all the X values. So here's the X value. Here's the X value. Here's the X value. So they're taking into account that you have to know something about a coordinate. You also have to know something about domain and ranges, and then some of the values. So my X values I have, and this is how we write it. This is called set notation. I have 0 in the set. That's one of my domain values. And I have 194.5. That's another one of my X values. And then I have 389 as my last X value that's recorded. So now that I know all those things, what it's asking me in set notation, it's saying, okay, well, what is your domain? So my domain is all my X values. So the first thing I need to do, I can look at the answer choices. This has Y. That's no good. This also has Y. That's no good. And then we're left with this. It's saying here that your domain goes from 194.5 to 389. Well, that's true. It does go from 194.5 to 389. That is true, but that's not correct. It starts at 0 and then it goes to 389. So it goes from 0 to 389. So the better answer is C. So that's your X values. Domain is your X values.